Alright, today's free Capture One style is named Polaroid Film. Let's take a look. Here's before and here's after. Before and after gives the photo a nice retro look. And if you're looking for more Capture One styles like this, check out the complete collection by Preset Pro. And we're going to try the Polaroid Film emulation. Let's jump down to Color 600. I like this one right here, before and after. Really beautiful preset. Alright, if you want to download the free Capture One style Polaroid Film, go to presetpro.com, look into the free tab and check out new presets under Capture One. Now, if you're looking for a complete Capture One workflow, the complete collection by Preset Pro has over 950 Capture One styles for all types of photography. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.